Managing customer relationships isn't always easy. A lot of businesses are stuck juggling separate tools for sales, support, and marketing. The result? Disconnected data, clunky workflows, and customers who end up feeling frustrated or confused. I'm Daniel, and I have been a business owner for the past decade. On this channel, I'm sharing my insights with you. Today, I'll walk you through Microsoft's all-in-one solution, designed for businesses that are done jumping between platforms. We'll take a look at Dynamics 365 CRM, break down its key features, highlight the pros and cons, and explain how the pricing and licensing work. And guys, before we get started, just a quick reminder, check the description for helpful links and discounts you won't want to miss. But before we dive into today's topic, let's take a quick moment to spotlight Kraken Exchange, one of the top platforms for cryptocurrency trading. Launched back in 2011, Kraken has built a solid reputation for being both reliable and secure in the digital asset space. With over 200 cryptocurrencies available, it gives traders a wide range of options to fit just about any investment strategy. Kraken is well known for its robust security measures, including advanced cold storage and 24/7 surveillance by armed guards to keep your assets safe. And if you're looking to grow your holdings, Kraken's staking services let you earn up to 17% in yearly rewards just by staking your crypto. On top of that, Kraken's user-friendly interface, paired with 24/7 global support, makes trading smooth for both beginners and seasoned investors. The platform also offers advanced features like margin trading with up to 5 times leverage. Plus, their progressive fee schedule rewards high-volume traders with lower fees the more they trade. So whether you're just getting started or already deep in the crypto game, Kraken gives you the tools and security to trade with confidence. And now let's jump right into today's review. What is Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM? Alright guys, let's talk about a powerful customer relationship management tool that truly deserves your attention. Dynamics 365 is not just one app. It's actually a bundle of 5 purpose-built modules: sales, marketing, customer service, field service, and project operations. Each one zooms in on a specific area of your business, but they all talk to each other through a shared data platform. It means your sales, marketing, and service teams are all working off the same page. Literally, everyone has access to the most up-to-date customer info, which is huge for collaboration and efficiency. And here's something else to love. This platform is part of the larger Dynamics 365 suite, which includes ERP tools for finance and supply chain. So if you're planning to grow, you can easily bolt on more capabilities as you go. Overall, it helps you centralize customer data, streamline workflows, and build better relationships. So let's discover its key features right away. Key features. Guys, as I said, Dynamics 365 is a powerhouse platform packed with a number of features. So let's start with the sales module. It allows you to track contacts, manage accounts, and log every interaction in one place. But here's where it gets really cool. It comes with built-in AI features. I'm talking about predictive lead scoring, sales forecasting, and guided selling tools that actually walk your reps through your sales process step by step. Plus, it integrates tightly with Outlook and Teams, so emails, meetings, and chats all sync directly to customer records. Next, let's talk about marketing automation. Dynamics marketing tools, now evolving under the name Customer Insights, are all about running targeted, multi-channel campaigns with ease. The system tracks every click, form submission, and email open. That data feeds right back into your CRM, letting you score leads, trigger follow-ups, and segment your audience like a pro. Now, my friends, let's talk about customer service. This module is a full-blown help desk and case management system. Agents get a complete view of each customer's history, purchases, and past issues, so every interaction feels personal. There's a searchable knowledge base for faster answers, service-level agreement tracking to keep response times sharp, and even AI-powered bots that can tackle the routine stuff. For businesses that live and breathe projects, like consultants, construction crews, or agencies, Dynamics 365 Project Operations offers real firepower. This module lets you plan projects, assign resources, set timelines, and track every dollar an hour in one place. You can build out Gantt charts, manage who's working on what, and keep an eye on budgets in real time. Team members can log time and expenses right from the system. And because it's part of the broader CRM platform, Project Operations connects seamlessly with your sales pipeline and with finance tools, so billing and revenue tracking happen automatically. What I really love about Dynamics 365 is its automation tools. With built-in workflows, you can create smart processes that handle the little stuff automatically. For example, you can set it up so every time a new lead is added, the system shoots out a welcome email and schedules a follow-up for your sales team 3 days later. And if you want even more control, integrate with Microsoft Power Automate and build custom flows that link Dynamics with just about anything: Slack, SharePoint, or email, you name it. Everything from approvals and alerts to data updates. You can automate it all. Finally, let's talk about AI. This software suite integrates with Copilot. The AI assistant lives right inside your CRM, ready to help across sales, marketing, and service. It can whip up email drafts, summarize meetings, suggest marketing content, or flag the hottest leads and best upsell opportunities, all based on real-time CRM data. And before we move to the system's pros and cons, let me say a few words about analytics and reporting. Every module comes with built-in reports and customizable dashboards. It's never been easier to check pipeline performance or track case resolution time. No coding required, just drag and drop to build your own views. Want to go deeper? Dynamics 365 integrates directly with Power BI, Microsoft's business intelligence platform. That means you can pull in live CRM data, combine it with other sources like ERP or website metrics, and build interactive reports that actually make sense. So, my friends, if you're looking for a CRM that doesn't just store data but works with you, helping you sell smarter, market better, and support faster, Dynamics 365 CRM is worth a serious look. Pros and cons. Guys, before we continue, I'm happy to share my insights with you, and all I ask in return is that you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Thanks! Alright, let's get into the serious stuff. Here's where Dynamics 365 really shines. The first advantage is that everything's in one place: sales, marketing, customer service. All your customer-facing operations live under the same roof. Everyone works from the same data, so your insights are stronger and your customers feel the difference. The next outstanding feature is seamless Microsoft ecosystem integration. If you're already using Microsoft 365, from Outlook and Word to Teams and Excel, it fits right in. Emails and meetings, chats and documents all sync naturally with your customer records. Dynamics 365 plays well with businesses of all shapes and sizes. You don't have to buy the whole suite up front. Just need a sales solution? Start with that. Want to add service or marketing down the line? Easy. The modules plug in like Lego pieces. As your company grows, the system scales with you. Here's something users consistently praise. With Dynamics 365, you can tweak, tune, and tailor the system to match your exact business processes. Drag and drop tools make it easy to change forms, set up workflows, or define business rules. And for deeper changes, there are Power Apps and third-party add-ons that open up nearly unlimited possibilities. Last but definitely not least, this thing is rock solid. Backed by Microsoft's cloud, you get enterprise-level security, encryption, and compliance. And because it's widely used around the world, you're tapping into a huge community, top-notch documentation, and a deep pool of support from Microsoft and its partners. It's not just a tool, it's an investment in long-term stability and growth. Now guys, we've talked about the upsides, and there are many. But let's be real, no system is perfect. Before you jump in, it's worth knowing some of the trade-offs. Here's what to keep in mind, guys. First up, Dynamics 365 isn't something you just sign up for and start using on day one. This platform is powerful, yes, but with that power comes complexity. Larger businesses, especially those with layered processes, often need help from Microsoft partners or in-house experts to set things up right. The initial configuration, data migration, and process mapping is no walk in the park. Next, it's not cheap, especially for smaller teams. Licensing fees are charged per user, per module, and they can add up fast, especially if you need multiple apps or have a growing team. Even mid-sized businesses should run the numbers carefully. The return on investment is real, but so is the cost. One of the most common frustrations is that navigating Microsoft's licensing can be confusing. While the modular structure gives you flexibility, figuring out what's included in which app and which add-ons you'll need can feel like reading tax code. Some features like AI tools or advanced customer service options may only come in higher-tier plans or as separate purchases. And if you want the full CRM experience, you may end up managing multiple subscriptions. Next, guys, Dynamics 365 has a lot of functionality, but the user interface can feel like overkill at first. It's not exactly minimalist. Menus are dense, screens can feel crowded, and until you customize things, it's easy for users to get lost. None of these trade-offs are deal breakers, not by a long shot, but they're real. And if you go in eyes wide open, with a solid plan and the right implementation partner, most of these challenges are solvable. Pricing. Alright, my friends, let's talk money. Because when you're looking at this system, understanding how it's priced can help you make smarter decisions and avoid surprise costs down the road. The software works on a subscription basis. That means you're paying per user, per month, and per module. So if your sales team needs access to the sales app, you buy licenses for that. If your support team needs the customer service app, same deal. Now here's where it gets flexible. If a user needs access to multiple modules, Microsoft offers attached licenses, essentially discounted add-ons for users who already have a primary license. That way you're not paying full price twice. Oh, and keep an eye on updates. Microsoft occasionally adjusts pricing to reflect new capabilities. In late 2024, for example, some license fees were increased to account for expanded AI functionality. Overall, Dynamics 365 gives you enterprise-level power and flexibility, but it's not an entry-level software. That's why it's so important to plan your licensing carefully. Pick the modules you truly need, know your user roles, watch for hidden add-on costs, and don't hesitate to talk to a Microsoft partner to get clear on what your setup will actually cost. Is it worth it? So, is Dynamics 365 really worth the investment? Well, folks, that depends on your business goals and how ready you are to put a powerful platform to work. If you're a mid-sized business, a large enterprise, or even a smaller company aiming for serious growth, it can be a game changer. Its flexibility and scalability mean you can start with what you need now and add more as you grow. And with Microsoft constantly rolling out innovations like AI-powered Copilot and real-time analytics, you're not just buying a CRM, you're future-proofing your operations. But if you're a very small business with simple needs, Dynamics 365 might feel like overkill. A lighter CRM could be all you need for now. At the end of the day, it really comes down to your goals and where you are in your business journey. For the right organization, I genuinely believe it's worth the cost and effort, but only you can decide if the pros outweigh the cons. And I hope this review helps you do just that. Alright, my friends, and that's all about it. So don't forget to check those links in the description below. If you had a good time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.